Hey you guys, it is me, Nephi, coming back to you with a review on McCall's 7186. This is the pattern here. And I did view B, which the model is wearing. You guys, I love this dress. I absolutely love this here dress, okay? It was an easy sew, although it's not necessarily a beginner sew. I wouldn't deter a beginner from sewing it. However, they probably would need someone to coach them through it. But it will definitely develop your skill set. So, I started sewing this on Sunday. The game came on. Go Eagles. Yes. Although I'm a diehard Washington Redskins fan. But I'm so glad that winning streak is over, you guys. So glad it's over. I was so excited for the Eagles. But back to this dress. That game called me to sew the panels on the wrong side. So what I had to do was spend Monday taking it a loose, what little time I had to dedicate to sewing. So I took Monday and took it a loose. And then I finished it up today. But you guys, I love it. Let me stand up so you guys can see it. It is quite flattering on a woman's belly area. Move this out the way. Can you guys see it? So, let me pull this up. Sorry, you guys. Okay, so here it is. You guys can see the gathers there. Yes, love it. Love it. Love it. Yes, this is absolutely, it is a stretch knit, so it's not uncomfortable, tight, tight or anything like that. It stretches with you. I love it. I love the sleeves. I also love this fabric, and that could probably be it too. Not necessarily, I wasn't in love with the color, but I'm the type of person who pick up fabric and I just fall in love, like, oh my God, this feels so good. And so it felt so good. And, which sounds a little weird there, but yeah, you understand if you sew. It feels good. And so the first fabric that I thought I was going to use, I didn't have enough, so I had to scrap that and put it to the side and pick up another fabric, which was this. And the color is not necessarily bad. I can work with it. It's more like pastel, so maybe for the spring or something like that, I may can get away with it. I will get away with it in the winter. That's why you sew. You do what you want to do. And so it's growing on me now because I like the dress. And so I will definitely be making more of these. Maybe 2 more at least. Because this is a very nice, elegant, comfortable piece. And for me, I have to be comfortable, you all. I don't know about y'all, but at my age, I have to be comfortable. And even when I was younger, I had to be comfortable. That's important to me, being comfortable in whatever I wear. I don't want to be squeezed in and trying to hold nothing in and tuck nothing in and worrying about it falling out. So, yeah. And this dress is so comfortable, you guys. It is so comfortable. McCall is not paying me to say this. I've had this pattern for a while. I just got around to sewing it. I'm definitely going to make A for the summertime. And so perhaps I'll do a sew up on that, a sew along on that one, or either when I do one of the other ones with the long sleeve, because I really enjoy the long sleeves because it's versatile. You can wear it whenever, especially if you work in an office setting. Even in the summertime, the AC is on, it gets cold. I was going to say on the metro, but very seldom is there AC on the metro. Oh God, okay, forgive me. But anything, if you live in the metropolitan area, you know what I'm saying. So again, you guys, I'm going to put all my social media information below. You can follow me on Facebook, join our group. It is where we sew, grow, and encourage each other. Men and women are welcome as long as you sew, okay? Don't come over there with no crazy stuff. So definitely, if you are a beginner sewer, come on over. We'll help you out. We'll help you get your sojo back if you just kind of fell into a sewing slump. The best way to get out is to start sewing. You cannot grow your skills if you don't sew. Okay? You can't learn to sew if you don't sew. Okay? So that's what we do. We encourage you to sew over there. Now, I'll also be putting my Instagram information there. You guys, you can follow me. I post pictures there most of the sometime. I'm starting to get better at it. And if you follow me, I'll follow you back. I promise you guys. But definitely, if you like this information, you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you can get all of the videos as I upload them. And again, thank you guys for listening to me. Hopefully I wasn't rambling. And thank you again, and have a wonderful and blessed day. You guys, bye.